Hi, friends. My name is Robyn, and I will be guiding you through today's short and sweet upper body focused flow. So, we will get started cross legged on our mat. If you're not here already, let's come down and take a moment to get rooted through our sit bones. You can pull the flesh out from underneath the hips, and just making sure we're seated nice and tall here as we take a few moments to get in touch with our breath. Exhale, let it go through the mouth. Two more breaths here. We inhale, fill the lungs. Exhale, empty. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaw. We take one more breath here. Exhale, let it go. And we'll start off with a few gentle twists. So taking the right hand just outside the left knee, left hand will come behind the low back. We pull the chest through, roll the left shoulder down and back as we gently look over the left shoulder. And coming back through to center, we go all the way to the opposite side, left hand over the right knee. Right hand comes behind the low back. We roll the shoulders down and back. See if you can pull the chest through. Keep it lifted as you glance over the right shoulder. Both shoulders pulled down and away from the ears. And back through to center. We take one more on each side. Right hand comes to the left knee again. Shoulders down and back. We exhale, twist. And one more time, we inhale as we move through center. Exhale for our twist. We glance over the right shoulder this time. And come back through to center. We'll bring our right hand up towards the ceiling. Big breath in. Exhale, bring the right hand to the top of the spine. We'll bring the right elbow behind the head. See if you can keep that shoulder down and away still. We can add a deeper stretch to the tricep if we bring the left elbow, left hand over the right elbow. Give that arm a little pull, or you're welcome to just stay with the right arm behind. Or if it's comfortable for you, we'll grab the left hand with the right fingertips. So I'll turn around to show you. If it's in your flexibility, we'll clasp the fingers together. Keep the chest lifted as we take 2 to 3 breaths here, creating our bind. One more breath here. And exhale, release. We'll switch sides. Left hand comes up and behind the neck, down to spine. Right hand comes up and behind the opposite way. Clasp the hands if that's comfortable for you. Try to keep your belly button tucked in here. You don't want to feel like you're rounding forward to create the bind. A little bit of effort is okay, but we shouldn't be straining to make it happen. We take 2 more breaths here. You can gently push your head back into the left forearm. And release. We'll come on to hands and knees, tabletop position. So hands below the shoulders, knees below the hips. We'll take a few cat-cow here. So we'll start by inhaling, drop the belly, lift the gaze, looking up for our cow pose. And exhale, tuck the belly button in, round the shoulders, round the spine for your cat. Take 4 or 5 of these at your pace. We move with our breath. As we exhale, we feel the ribs knit together. Inhale to draw the breath in. Feel the lungs fill up with air. And exhale, let it all go. 2 more here like this. Exhale, release. rinsing through the spine here. We take one more. Exhale to round, then we'll meet back at a neutral spine. Inhale, right hand up to the ceiling. We open up, look up to that hand. Exhale, feed it through, coming all the way down for your thread the needle. If you'd like, you can tuck the left hand behind the lower back. Little stretch for the left shoulder here too. But mainly we should feel our stretch through the right shoulder, through the rear delt. One more breath. And you can bring the left hand back down if you had it behind the back. Press through the left palm as we open up to the ceiling with the right hand once more. And exhale, bring it back down to center. We switch sides. Inhale, left hand lifts up. Look up to that hand. Exhale, feed it through. Come all the way down. The left cheek relaxes on the floor, left shoulder. And you're welcome to stay here, or you can bring right hand behind the low back. Maybe you tuck it into the left hip crease. And we breathe. A great stretch for both shoulders here, but we focus on our left side. One more breath here, like you could send your exhale directly to it. And bring the right hand back down. If you had it behind, we press through the palm, open all the way up with the left hand once more. And we come back through to center. We're going to walk the hands forward, keep the hips lifted. We'll come into our puppy pose. Great stretch for the lats, shoulders, complete upper body. So similar to child's pose, but we bring the forehead to the mat and keep the hips lifted. So you should feel this a bit more through the lats and under the shoulders, maybe a little bit into the low back, but probably not as much as your child's pose. Keep walking the fingertips through the top of the mat to keep this active. Or you can press through the palms. And let's come forward to our Sphinx pose. Elbows stay on the ground. We lower the hips down to the ground. See if you can pull the shoulders away from the ears. Engage the glutes to gently push the hips into the floor. Another great back bend stretch for the low back. Beautiful posture exercise here. We take one more breath. And see if you can lower all the way down now. Chest comes down to the mat. Moving our right arm just outside of our mat here. Keep a 90-degree angle with the right arm so elbow is even with the shoulder. We press through our left hand to rotate onto our right side body. So you can bring the left foot all the way over to the ground if that's comfortable for you. Or you can roll and simply just keep the legs on top of each other. Whatever feels best for you. We breathe into our right shoulder, right pec muscle. And bring it back through to center. We switch sides. So left arm goes out this time, making sure our elbow is even with the shoulder. Push with the right arm as you rotate onto the left side body. Take whatever variation feels best for you so you can keep the legs together if that feels best. One more exhale. Give a push through the right hand. And we rotate back through to center. We'll turn onto our back here. Legs long, arms long. We meet in our Shavasana just for a moment. We take 2 to 3 breaths on our mat just to thank ourselves for carving this time out and focusing on relaxing the jaw, relaxing the shoulders. A lot of tension through the upper body comes from stress and clenching our teeth, clenching our jaw. So take the next few seconds here to just breathe. Beautiful, and you're welcome to stay here, or you can turn onto your favorite side. Press yourself all the way up. And I hope you are feeling some relief in your upper body now. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next flow. Namaste.